Hello, dear creatives. You're welcome back to my channel, Website Creation, the home of creativity. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your leftover Ankara pieces to make a simple fashion earring. So, I'll be making use of my bangle earring, my leftover Ankara pieces. So, I also need my needle and thread. If you don't have a sewing machine, no need to worry. So, the measurements we are working with is 2 by 4 inches, then 5 by 10 inches. We need 2 of it. So, you start by sewing your Ankara with your needle and your thread. But don't sew everything, just leave a portion of it, say 2 inches for the opening. After sewing it, you sew on the wrong side. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Please do well to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you. To my new subscribers, thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel. I'm grateful. Thank you. So you continue sewing it. After sewing it, you open it up, just like I'm doing. Then you sew the portion that you left open. You secure it with your needle and thread. But when you are sewing it, make sure you sew it inside so that the thread will not show on the outside. We want to make a bow with this Ankara. So we are going to secure the thread. Then we sew it just like I'm doing. You close it up. So after closing the 5 by 10 inches, you do the same for the 2 by 4 inches. So this is it after sewing it. This is how it will look like. Then you take your bangle earring, then you place it like I'm doing now. Then you secure it with your needle and thread. You want to form a bow with your needle and thread. Make sure you secure it very well. It's very tight. It's not loose so that it will not be coming down from the both sides. Make sure it's very firm. So after sewing it, I use my needle and thread to tie it to make it very firm. So after tying it, this is how it will look like. Then I'll use my small Ankara to cover the part that I sew with my gum. I'm going to use my B6000 to glue it down. So I'll apply my gum on the part that I sewed and use my Ankara to cover it, just like I'm doing now. So you cover it. So you can decide to leave yours this way after covering it, but I went in with my pears. I used my pears to decorate it. So you can leave yours this way, but I'm going to use my pears to decorate mine. You can be creative about it. So this is how it will look like. Thank you for watching.